Bonjour à toutes et à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien aujourd'hui les amis, c'est Louis, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour l'épisode 7 de The Legend of Heroes Trails of Cold Steel. Donc la dernière fois qu'on avait joué, on était à l'épisode 6, on avait été en mission d'aller vaincre un gros monstre. Plutôt au début j'avais cru que c'était du genre puisqu'il a, il a beaucoup de PV, mais non, je ne sais même pas pourquoi c'était même pas dur. Donc là on va continuer à où on était. Ok, maintenant on va voir si on doit y aller aux chapelles. C'est juste. Attends. Non, ça c'est une maison. Ici on peut pas rentrer. Ouais, comme d'hab on peut pas rentrer. C'est où la chapelle? Non, c'est pas là-bas. Et c'est la station de train. Non, c'est pas ici non plus. Ici. Ouais, voilà. Juste au cas où, si on a besoin d'y aller, on verra. Non. Bon bah, moi je ne sais même pas quoi faire. Et aussi, il y avait des policiers ici. Et je me demande ce qu'ils ont. Ils faisaient quoi là-bas. On va voir s'il y a des changements ici. On va voir. Non, rien n'a changé. Ok. Attends, est-ce qu'on est allé ici? Ou pas? On verra. Ah bah non. On n'est jamais y allé. Ah ok. On va voir. On va essayer de trouver les ingrédients. Non. Qu'est-ce qu'on peut acheter? Et comment on va faire pour trouver l'ingrédient qu'il veut, le monsieur du chapelle? Oh, on n'est pas riche, hein. Non. Wesh, c'est cher ça. Trop même. C'est au tour des boys maintenant, pas des filles. Alors... Non. Comment on va faire pour trouver l'ingrédient? Oh, comment on va faire? Attends, on va revenir. Attends, est-ce que elle a ce qu'on a besoin? Non, 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 en plus c'est cher. Et on peut pas voir celui-là ce que on veut. On trouve pas ce qu'on a besoin là. C'est un problème. Là on va revenir, on va leur demander. Il va nous dire encore qu'est-ce qu'on a besoin. Et il a besoin de quoi? Des ingrédients. Ok, j'ai pris en photo pour m'en souvenir. The first is a bear claw, which you can get from Flint at the market. On peut le voir au marché? Ok. On va trouver s'il y a du Flint. There is a bundle of Imperial cartridge. On doit y aller au Western Highway alors. Ça veut dire qu'on va sortir. Non, on va chercher le Flint. On va y aller au... On va aller voir les marchés là-bas et après on va voir s'ils l'ont ou pas. Allez, non, pas maintenant. On va y aller d'abord au marché. Le Flint. On va voir tous les marchés qu'il y a et voir s'il y a du Flint. Lui, on peut rien acheter. Attends. Flint, non, pas de Flint. Ceux qui ont du Flint, dites-moi. Non. Du Flint. Ils n'ont pas ce qu'on a besoin. Non. Mec, ils ont des choses qui sont trop chères aussi. Ouais, j'ai juste échangé des miracles car je m'ennuyais. Ah non. Ah bah... du Flint. Non. Non. Il n'y a pas de Flint. Ouais. Il n'y a pas de Flint. Ou peut-être... Je peux vendre quelque chose. Il va me donner ce que j'ai besoin. Non. Il sert à rien. Est-ce que ça c'est comme... Bah non. On va voir si là-bas ils ont des trucs qu'on a besoin. Car là, je vais jamais finir cette partie du chapitre si j'arrive pas. Hein. Non. Alors on va dire bonjour à l'instructrice. Est-ce qu'ils ont pas... Oh, mais ils ont rien. Non, ils n'en ont pas. Ils n'en ont pas. Attends, on va voir nos objets. Ça, c'est tout ce qu'on a. C'est tout de quoi les ingrédients. Non, on n'a pas le flint. Faudra que je regarde un guide pour ça sur YouTube après. Ils ont rien du tout. Y'a personne. Waouh. Attends, bah non, parce que c'est notre chambre. Stupide. Oh, j'ai perdu la boule. Ok, c'est où la sortie? Non. Faudra dire au gars du chapelle qu'on trouve pas ce qu'on a besoin. Excuse me. Ah là là. Alors, est-ce qu'ils ont le flint là-bas? Lui, je m'en souviens plus. Il fallait faire quoi? Attends, je peux customiser mon arme? Non, je peux pas. J'ai rien compris. Bah, vas-y, on va y aller au truc là pour chercher le... Attends, c'était quoi des... Ah oui, la ferme qu'on doit aller chercher. Un fermier. Non, faut faire attention aussi qu'il y a des hops. Et ça, c'est quoi ça? On va aller partout ici jusqu'à en trouver une ferme. Attends. Non, 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 non. Attends. Il se semble un peu comme un ours. Est-ce que on va faire un petit combat au cas où s'il peut nous en donner quand on l'élimine? Bon bah il est que seul donc ça va. C'est quoi ça? On va tester. Wow, Elliot, tu gères hein, avec les soins. Brûle-le. Bah non, on n'a eu rien. Donc non, ça sert à rien du tout. Non. Ah bah c'était la petite ferme qu'on cherchait. Ah, c'est comme ça il parle les poulets maintenant. Attends, c'était où le monsieur à qui on avait parlé pour... ok. C'était lui normalement, attends. Je vais voir la carte. Non. C'était comment le bouton pour... C'était quel bouton pour... voir si on peut cuire des choses. Bah c'est pas là. On va devoir y aller partout pour trouver ce qu'on a besoin. Qui m'a vu? Oh là là. Oh là là. Ah non. Ça c'est le Market Town. C'est-à-dire que là, ce qu'on vient de trouver, c'est le lieu d'où on revient. Celle dit que... Ah, on n'a pas trouvé. On n'a pas trouvé. D'autres moyens d'où je peux... West Saldic Highway. Et ça c'est East. Attends, on va y aller aux chapelles. On va le demander si c'est East ou West. L'Est ou Ouest. Western Highway. Attends, on va parler à la dame là-bas. Alors, on va y aller là-bas. Ah bah, je peux même me téléporter en plus. Alors, je me demandais si on est déjà allé. Attends, il y a une ferme là-bas. Oh, mais ils sont partout! Il y a plein d'ennemis. On va juste essayer de faire attention. Me course pas, s'il te plaît. Me course pas! Hop là. Ouh, un coffre! Tu crois quoi? C'est ce que je viens de dire. Non, on s'est fait attraper. Pourquoi avantage d'ennemi? Wesh! Wesh! Arrêtez! Stop! Mais stop, rien n'est déjà presque dead à cause de vous. Comment ça, rien t'a raté un truc? Allez, faut donner quelque chose pour guérir Ryan. Ryan. Oh non, je peux pas. Oh, Elliot, lui, il risque de être voir. Et Elliot en plus il est dead. Ah là là. Et il est dead. Allez les filles, j'espère que vous allez pas faire du n'importe quoi. Attends, Ren n'est pas dead. Ah bah il est dead. T'inquiète, il y a 2 filles qui vont te venger. Allez, brûle. Non, parce qu'il y a 2 gars qui ont été dead. Quelle... Oh non, pas la blonde. Ah bah on peut prendre le coffre. Objet. Allez, tu peux guérir Réré. Oui, allez. Ah bah ça veut dire que Laura... Laura... Si, ah bah attends. Voilà. On est bien maintenant. Attends, y a-t-il des coffres? Il n'y en a pas d'autres. Attrape-moi si tu peux. Alors, il y a quoi? Attends, je regarde la carte. Attends. Il y a un truc ici. C'est quoi? C'est ça la ferme qu'on va chercher? Ne crie pas fort. Attends. Ah, ok. C'est quoi ça? It's supposed to be near the windmill in front of the nature park, right? This light doesn't appear to be working. Which means that's probably the one Sans was referring to. Probably let's check the number on it. BO2, yeah, this is the one. Alright, then we must enter the code after taking care of our uninvited guest. What? Monsters. Où tu vois les monstres? Yay, on est dead. There's sure a lot of them. Guess those lights really work. We need to change that thing quick. Reen, can we entrust the task itself to you? Sure thing. The rest of you keep the monsters at bay while I make the switch. You can count on us. Non, lui, rien ne peut pas compter sur toi, hein, c'est sûr. Okay, first, Meg, I need to input the code to open the main. This hatch, pretty sure it was. Ah bah ça a marché déjà, car au début j'ai cru que je m'en souvenais plus. Ah ouais, c'est comme ça tu fouilles. Bravo les amis, vous avez géré. Thank you so much for your help. Looks like things have finally calmed down. Thankfully, hard to believe how much of a difference those things make. You got that done in record time, Rain. Yes, I was expecting the process to take much longer. Well, it was a simple procedure, since I wasn't being harmed by monsters the whole time anyway. Still, good job. Je crois qu'il va te remercier, and I guess that's a wrap. Yeah, now we just need to go report back to Samus. Est-ce que c'est tout? Non, il y a une petite exclamation vert là-bas. On va y aller aussi voir ce que c'est. Qu'est-ce que tu crois? Une maison de ferme. Mais ça se voit bien. Excuse me, would you happen to be Paul? That's right. Who might you be? We're students from Forest Military Academy. Father Zerbal requested that we come along to collect Imperial carrots. Ah, ça c'est un des ingrédients qu'on a besoin. Oh, is that so? I'm pretty sure I set a batch aside for him. Can you wait a few moments? Ah bah on a trouvé les carottes qu'on a besoin. Hey, sorry for the wait. Here you go. Ah merci. Well, I don't think I've ever seen carrots this color before. Likewise, they certainly do seem nutritious though. Don't they? They're actually rare enough that people present them to the imperial family as gifts. They're said to have medical properties on top of being nutritious too. So make sure you're careful while carrying them back. Understood. Leave it to us. That should be everything we need then, right? Yeah, let's report back to Father Zerbal. Ok, let's go. On a un des ingrédients. Let's go. Carré. Alors, est-ce qu'il y a un chemin pour revenir? Ouais. Attends, est-ce qu'on est sûr? Lunaria Nature Park. C'est quoi ça? Moi aussi. C'est quoi ça? On y va où? Ah, il y a des gardes. This area seems kind of different from anywhere else we've been so far. Lunaria Nature Park, huh? Seems less like a park and more like a forest. Yeah, it really does feel a little out of place, sitting smack dab in the middle of farmland as far as the eye can see. It may have some religious significance in ages past. Perhaps it was a place where the animists of ancient times chose to enshrine the spirits of the forest. There's a place much like that in my hometown. Yeah, there's one in mine too. Bah mon gars, il y a des gardes, donc on va pas y aller là-bas. Who are you? And what are you doing here? We're travelers, merely passing through. And who might you be? We're the park rangers here. And as you can see, the park's off limits right now, so I'm going to have to ask you to leave. Off limits? Is there some construction work going on or something? Something like that, yeah. But that's beside the point. It's off limits, so get lost. We've got things to do here. What's with the attitude? Toi, Alisa, toi aussi, t'as des attitudes, hein? Quand t'avais dit que tu t'en souvenais pas, quand t'avais dit que tu voulais coincer Rhéanoli, yeah, arrête de mentir. As uncouth as the warning may have been, we should still turn back if this area is indeed off limits. We're trespassing. Yeah, and it's not like we have any urgent business here or anything. Good point. Come on, let's go. Although, I must admit, something about this still feels a little off. Bon bah on peut pas y aller là-bas. Dommage. Et on va être interpellé si on part pas. Alors, on doit y aller là-bas. On doit aller voir Père Zirbel pour l'ingrédient qu'on a trouvé. Ensuite, c'est où la sortie? C'est là. Allez, on court directement. On s'en fout s'il y a des ennemis. Fais attention, Réré. Réré, je te dis de faire attention. Là, on arrive. Let's go. Ok, c'est bon. Allez, il est temps de chercher Chapelle, non. Pas ici, hein. Je suis pas bête. Ah, d'abord, on doit aller voir le gars qu'on avait besoin du code et tout. Allez, vas-y. Hey there, I take it the job's done. It is. Allow us to give you a detailed report on it too. We have the old Ormond light here too. Thanks, I'll get this fixed up so it can be used again. Glad you're all safe after dealing with those monsters though. They were hardly a threat. Non, les monstres c'était trop fastoche. Qu'est-ce que tu racontes? We did take the request up, knowing it could be dangerous after all. You military academy kids really are a tough lot. Des enfants, on est des adolescents, mec. Oh yeah, can't forget to give you your reward now, can I? Détection. Ça sera quoi ça? Are you sure we can take one of your quartz? Of course you did some solid work after all. Thanks for the help. Feel free to come along whenever you need me to give your ornaments a check-up. On a fini cette quête. Alors, c'est quoi ce qu'on avait obtenu? Ouais, on a plein. On va tester... détection. Je me demande à quoi ça sert. Dans les combats, bien sûr. Oh, yes, that does it all for the mandatory task. I don't know about you guys, but same. I don't venture out onto the highways very often. The two of you sure seem okay, though. Well, my hometown is in the countryside too, so I'm kind of used to this. And with all the training Laura does, I imagine this is probably nothing for her. Indeed, I find this level of exercise to be quite manageable. However, what is it? No, I'm sure it's nothing. Oh, t'as toujours envie de dire quelque chose, mais à la fin tu dis que c'est rien. Gaspilleuse de phrases, Laura. I believe we should return to the inn now, should we not? Yeah, let's... I'm guessing Instructor Sarah is still here. We can give our report and also ask her a bit more about the purpose behind these field studies. Non, on va y aller d'abord voir le chapelle. That would definitely be good. No, she hasn't told us about what's happening tomorrow either. Alright, then let's head to the inn. Non, on va y aller au chapelle. Qu'est-ce que on est en train de faire? Une scène? Don't give crap. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Hein? The one paid. Hein? J'ai rien compris. What's going on? It sounds like something's happening though. We're at the market. There appears to be some manner of dispute occurring. Une dispute? Montre-moi. I wonder what's up. Should we go take a look? Pourquoi tu la regardes? Comme si t'es un imposteur, Ryan. Regarde, les deux se regardent. Yeah, let's go and see. T'es bizarre, Ryan. Pour regarder ta crush comme ça. Non, on va pas voir, on va y aller au chapelle, point final. Non, on va au chapelle. Attends, c'est où déjà le chapelle? Ah mais c'était tout là-bas. Ah bon, ah bah maintenant on est obligé d'y aller. Bon bah vas-y, on va voir ce qu'il y a. Don't give me that crap, this is my spot. Oh, il y a une dispute. I paid for it, so it's mine. Hey yo, what the hell? I'm the one who paid for this spot. Oh là là, calmez-vous. Look, I've even got the perk before, so stop lying to me in vamoose. Hey yo, what the hell, brother? May I ask what the problem is? Perhaps we can help in some way. There seems to be some questions. Oh, which of these two gentlemen gets control of this area to set up his stall? The young merchant over there is local while that merchant wearing the suit is from the capital. So they're both claiming the same spot. How odd. Permits for the market are issued by the province ruling lord. Oh, so for Celtic that would be... Ah! Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Hey yo! Ils sont en train de s'étrangler là! This isn't good! We must stop them. Oh ouais, avec cette tête bien sûr. Stoppez ici! Who are you? Unhand me at once. Calmez-vous tout de suite. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, but violence isn't going to solve anything. La violence n'est pas la réponse. Merci beaucoup. You both need to calm yourselves. You've been worked into a rage. Vous avez juste la rage. But... What are you, high schoolers? Ah ouais, t'as une attitude avec nous? This has nothing to do with you meddling kids. We're having a mature discussion here, and I'll thank you not to interfere. Je nous respecte. On essaie d'être généreux pour les autres et vous devez causer une destruction en disputant. Oh là là. Since when has grabbing a person by the neck been considered mature? T'as raison, Elliot. Là, je suis d'accord avec toi, ils sont malades mentales. If you truly intend to have a mature discussion, perhaps you should try acting more like adults. Oh, Alisa, tu fais l'intelligente. What did you say to me? Tu nous as bien entendu. Si tu veux avoir une discussion mature, essaye d'avoir une action d'adulte. Comment un adulte parlerait bien? We're students from Thor's Military Academy. Ouais, et on est aussi considérés comme des adultes car on est mature. We're currently visiting this town on field study, and while we are not yet formal members of the army, I'm afraid we cannot simply walk by and ignore a fight in such a specific place. A military academy? So they're a bunch of soldiers in training. What in Ado's name is happening here? C'est qui? Hey yo, c'est qui lui, le capitaine? Oh, now look what you've done. Manager Otto. On est fâché contre toi, gros. I've been filled in on what happened. I understand both of you have a permit for the same stall, is that correct? Yeah. And both permits expire at the same time too. What's the meaning of this? I understand your concerns, but fighting over here is really unconvincing the other customers. I'll be happy to discuss the matter in private, but I'll need to ask you both to put your differences aside until it's been resolved. Okay. I guess. Well, that was a close one. Seems like everything's going to be fine now, though. J'espère. Yeah, I guess he's the guy in charge. I really appreciate the four of you stepping in to help defuse the situation. Though I suppose I should expect less from the infamous Class 7 I've heard so much about. Ah bah, à qui t'es en train de parler? À la Classe 7. Oh. How do you know about Class 7? My name is Otto. I'm the manager of Celtic's Grand Market. I have some things to discuss with you. If you be so kind to come along, I'll treat you to some tea. Ok, j'adore le thé un peu, moi. Ah, c'est l'après-midi, ça va. Ah bah, tout est calme maintenant. Et juste pour vous donner info, attends. So you were responsible for choosing our assignments? Allez, Ryan, colle-toi à Alisa et Elliot, colle-toi à Laura. Allez, collez-vous ensemble, les couples. Indeed, Principal Van Dyck is an old friend of mine, you see. He asked me to personally select a few tasks that you might be able to complete. Well, that was nice of him. Ouais, le principal, il est pas mal, hein. Il est pas mal. We appreciate your consideration as well. Oh, it was no trouble at all. Allez, faites Ryan et Lisa coller ensemble pour voir un meilleur couple. Likewise, I'm grateful to you for taking some troublesome task off my hands. And I can't thank you enough for your help at the market. If you hadn't been there, I imagine someone would have wound up getting hurt. I'm just glad we got there when we did. So both merchants will be taking turns using the same stall at the front of the market? That's right, both of their permits are genuine, but their merchandise are, and temperaments don't lend themselves to sharing the space. Eventually, they agreed to a compromise where they would each make a use of the front stall on alternate weeks. The other stall we reserved is near the back of the market, however, so whoever is relegated there will likely see far lower sales numbers. Elliot, dis à ton copain de se coller avec sa copine. Sinon, c'est moi qui va faire Ryan et Alisa coller à sa copine. That's better than nothing, I guess, but still really unfortunate. Coller ensemble. I must admit, I do find this whole matter rather perplexing. Okay. To my knowledge, the issuing of market permits is the sole responsibility of each province's ruling lord. For a mistake such as this to have seen made in the first place raises me some rather unpleasant questions. That's true, it's a lord's duty to control the flow of goods. If we can't handle it, the local economy could really suffer. Quite right. Ordinarily, their responsibility would fall upon the Duke's household. The Duke? The Cruzan province is ruled by Duke Albarea. Albarea, c'est le père de Jusis Albarea, one of the four most powerful nobles in the entire country. But lately, the situation surrounding the Duke's household has been a bit complicated. Complicated? S'il vous plaît, je veux voir Ryan et Alisa se coller là. Oh là là. Pour voir un couple, bien sûr. A few months ago, he increased the sales tax of foreign market rather significantly, and with a larger percentage of their profits being taken from them, the merchants have begun to get rather desperate. Fights like the one you saw earlier are becoming more and more commonplace. I see. Sales tax is something we should not be raised without careful consideration here. Saria has shown us how damaging such actions could be. I've never heard of anything like that happening in the capital. Have you tried raising objections to the increase? Of course, I've even gone to Bariahar numerous times to petition the Duke personally, but they always just drive me away at the gate without listening to a word I have to say. Triste ça. This has been going on for roughly 2 months now. If that's the case, the mix-up with permits may be more than just an accident. Are you suggesting they might be getting careless when dealing with the market, or maybe they're deliberately trying to cause problems? Bah, comme toi, Lisa, quand t'avais dit que tu voulais coller Ryan au lit. I don't think it's a good idea to jump to conclusions. But I will say that before all this began, the soldiers in the guardhouse absolutely would have intervened in a scuffle like that. Oh. Unlike the Imperial Army, a provincial army's main priority is maintaining the status quo throughout their territory. So meditating arguments which threaten that status quo should absolutely fall within the scope of their duties. Correct, it seems that unless we accept this tax increase, they intend to turn a blind eye to the market. The commanding officer at the guardhouse has even made comments suggesting as much. That's not right at all. Elle réfléchit dans sa tête, Alisa, quand elle ferme les yeux si elle veut se coller à Ryan. Coller ensemble, s'il vous plaît. Oh là là. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be talking about matters like this with you. This is strictly an internal affair to be dealt with among us. merchants, you have no reason to concern yourselves with it. This is strict. Oh no, j'ai déjà lu. You need to be focused on your field study, and I'll have a new list of tasks for you tomorrow morning as well. Oh non! On a trop de travail, monsieur! You will? So you were asked to prepare some for each day of our visit then? That's right, I've got a few difficult ones in mind too, but I'm sure you're up for them. Or at least I'll hope you are. Don't worry, we are. Non! Elliot, non, crois-moi bien, on n'est pas prêt. We'll do our very, very best to meet your expectations. Mais on n'est pas prêt encore, qu'est-ce que tu veux qu'on fasse nous? Eh, c'est moi le professeur, ok? Oh là là. Ok, là on sort et on va direct aux chapelles. Allez. Dommage que les aériennes se sont pas collées, j'aurais été mort de rire. Il aurait Elliot aussi. Afin que Elliot, lui, il n'a pas d'amoureux. That all sounds really unfair. De quoi tu parles? Yeah, I agree. Provincial authorities have the right to decide upon and collect taxes in the regions they control, and as long as that remains the case, there is not really much the general populace can do to stand against them. I'm reluctant to comment on how others should choose to rule their own territories, but harassing one's people like this seems clearly inappropriate. I've heard many rumors about the current head house of Alberea. The current head is Use's dad, right? So couldn't we ask Uses for some help here? I doubt there's anything he could do among the nobility. The decisions made by the head of the house are absolute, and since the Albereas represent one of the four great houses, that old tradition is absolutely guaranteed to be alive and well. The Emperor himself is probably the one with more power than the head of the four great houses. Guess that's a no then. I see, you're all busy mulling things over. Excellent, excellent. C'est qui? Instructrice, qu'est-ce que vous faites? Instructor? What brings you here? I figured out, well, it's about time for you to get going. Group B is not getting anything done as expected, so I'm off to help sort them out. Ah bah, bonne. Dis à Machias et Jusis que je leur passe bonjour, instructrice. What? You're going to see Group B now? The town of Parm is a considerable distance from here. Now, you let me worry about that. You four are perfectly capable of looking after yourselves anyway, right? Put your heads together and thinking. I'm certain you'll see what you need to do. Bon, bye, instructrice. Dis à Machias que je leur passe bonjour. Adios. Adios, amigo. I can't believe it. It's that stuff she knows exactly what's going on. Even though she spent the whole day drinking at the inn, can she read minds or something? I suggest we return to our room and rest for the night in any case. We still have our reports to write, so an early dinner seems wise. Yeah, you're right. I'm so tired. Bah, tu sais qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Tu vas dormir au lit de Ryan et Ryan dort dans ton lit. Me too, I feel like I'm going to fall asleep at the dinner table without even making it to my bed. Ah bah moi je dors même pas, moi j'ai la flemme. On doit y aller aux chapelles avant qu'on dort. Ok? Allez, on y va. Monsieur... Enfin, on est revenu. I see you've returned with the ingredients. We have there. Here you are, father. Bear Claw, je m'en souviens plus quand on l'a eu. Please accept my thanks. Now I can get back to making the medicine. I'd like to accept these as well as a token of my appreciation. Oh, merci beaucoup, monsieur. Merci. Thank you, Father. Did you happen to make these as well? That's correct. There's no much, but it should come in handy. Thank you for your concern. We'll make good use of it. Good luck with the remainder of your task, and may Adios guidance would be with you. Let's go, on a terminé une quête. Enfin, 2 aujourd'hui, hein. Pas bête. Après, on va faire dodo. Allez, on va faire dodo. Alors, on est où dans la carte? Allez. On dort. Et on va prendre le dîner aussi. Alors, on mange quoi, les potos? Pour le dîner aussi. Ouais, j'y fait déjà nuit. Ah ouais, toi t'es gourmand. T'es gourmand, Elliot. Ah ouais, mange bien tes légumes, tu vas grandir comme un grand garçon. Regardez. Collés ensemble. C'est bien le pain un peu. Se dispute à cause de Justice et Machias. Non, ça se voit qu'ils sont en train de se chamailler. Pourquoi vous êtes en train de réfléchir? Moi non plus. Ah ouais, bah tu crois qu'on était emmenés pour quelle raison alors? Qu'est-ce que elle baragouine elle, Alisa, tu parles pas dans la conversation si on comprend pas ce que tu dis. Bah alors repose ta tête. Comment ça, yeah? Tu es d'accord avec ta crush? Oh, je m'en souvenais dans cet appel quand elle a dit « Ouh là là !» Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire « something » ? Alisa, pourquoi tu le regardes comme s'il est un fou? Et toi, Elliot, tu regardes ton ami comme s'il est devenu un criminel ou quoi? Ah ouais? Ton ex? Pour être en couple avec Ryan. Je parie que c'est ça. Tu réfléchis. Qu'est-ce que c'est une indépendance? Ouais, c'est vrai, dans sa vie, Alisa, je crois que sa famille, c'est un peu compliqué chez elle. En plus, qu'il y a Sharon. Qu'est-ce que tu vois? Ah ouais? Toi, c'était juste pour aller faire de la musique, comme ça tu deviens Ariana Grande. Ouais, comme ça, il ferait des musiques de pop avec Ariana Grande.
Well, I wasn't that serious about it or anything. What about you, Lane?
Lui, il était invité comme ça. Hein.
You're the last holdout, and since you're the one who brought it up, it's only fair you answer the question too.
La chute.
Me?
Ouais.
I wanted to find myself, I guess.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire? Tu voulais te retrouver toi-même? T'es bête ou quoi? T'es toi-même, tu peux pas te retrouver toi-même.
Find yourself?
Ouais, ton mec, il a perdu la boule, ton chéri. Lisa, il a perdu la boule.
Sorry. That makes it sound like a much bigger deal than it actually is. That's the best way I can think of to put it, though. Nothing wrong with that. Going on a journey of self-discovery? It's actually a pretty cool...
Yeah, I had no idea you were such a romanticist.
Donc, toi, t'es un romanticiste, ça veut dire que tu peux trouver des moyens pour aller faire des moments romantiques avec Alisa, Ryan.
You sure don't come across as one.
Si, toi.
I shouldn't have said anything.
Ouais, bah alors fallait rien dire, hein. Même les filles sont choquées de ta réponse. So you want me to wake you up at 6 tomorrow, right? Pourquoi 6h du matin? Non, Ryan, on se réveille à 10h. Mais vous êtes bête ou quoi? 6h, c'est très tard. Non. Mais c'est très tard, 6h, t'es fou.
But we're not actually going to sleep yet, are we? Not until we write our reports for the day.
I want to shut off my brain so badly right now, but it doesn't look like that's happening anytime soon.
Ah bah alors, allez dormir. Haha, she seems to have forgotten all about the room situation and I'm not about to remind her. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Lisa? T'es pas content? Ah, vous allez dans votre chambre. C'est qui? Mais qu'est-ce que tu veux?
I was unsure whether to ask or not, but I've decided that this question bears answering.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Why have you chosen to hold back?
Je ne sais pas de quoi tu parles.
What?
Your sword style and technique.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux savoir sur son épée?
It is the Eight Leaves One Blade School, is it not?
Et pourquoi tu veux savoir?
Popularized by the sword hermit, Yun Kafai, it combines the best elements of other Eastern sword styles.
Mais pourquoi tu veux savoir? C'est pas tes affaires.
Those who master any of its forms are referred to as a divine blade, and are said to understand the true nature of all things.
Quoi, t'es jaloux que lui il a une meilleure arme que toi? Ouais, juste dis que t'es jalouse.
You certainly know an awful lot about it. I didn't think it was particularly renowned here in the Empire.
We of the Arcade School consider the studying of other swordsmanship styles to
Oh
be
là
an essential
là.
part of our training. In addition, my father once told me,
Je connais pas ton père donc t'es pas où. Je vais me le dire.
if you follow the path of the sword, it is only a matter of time before you encounter a follower of the Eight Leaves.
Moi je prends le côté du vilain.
Your father said that?
Rien, tu connais pas son père, t'es pas obligé de le demander.
It's an honor to be acknowledged by the Radiant Blade Master himself. I'm nothing special, though. I'm just a dropout who's never even been able to progress past beginner level. I did train under Master Ka-Fi for a while,
Ah ouais, c'est qui ton maître?
but I started to feel like I couldn't go any further with my abilities, and he cut my training short.
What?
So I'm really not holding back. Honest. I actually kind of feel like I'm dirtying the good name of the Eight Leaf School, in fact. But this is my limit. I'm sorry I can't quite live up to your expectations. Laura?
T'es fâché?
You have no reason to apologize to me. This is a matter you must come to
Elle
terms with on your
boude.
own.
Elle boude.
Though I'll admit to some disappointment,
Tu boudes,
I
va
was
au
hoping you'd
coin.
prove to be a good sparring partner.
Va au coin.
I'm going to practice outside for a bit.
Non, faut dormir. Tu peux pas aller dehors.
Please go and finish your report with Elisa and Elliot.
Mais toi aussi tu vas dormir. Qu'est-ce que tu fous? Laura, tu viens ici. Laura, tu viens ici tout de suite. Eh, c'est beau. Voilà, je te poucave. Je vais te poucave, Laura. Laura, je te poucave. Pourquoi t'es triste pour elle? Mais qu'est-ce qu'elle nous... Elle faut les
He
deux?
doesn't want to talk about, huh?
Oh, mais arrête de nous espionner toi aussi.
I can see in his eyes sometimes that he's bottling something up and trying really hard to keep anyone else from noticing.
Arrêtez de nous espionner, frère.
You've noticed it too?
Oh là là, Elliot, toi aussi.
You sure have taken quite an interest in him.
Je me demande pourquoi elle s'intéresse trop à Ryan.
I was just trying to work out the best time to apologize, that's all.
Non, tu voulais trouver un moyen pour le pardonner, comme ça vous vous remettiez ensemble en couple.
It's not like I've been consciously paying attention to him or anything, honestly.
Si tu veux de l'attention sur lui, arrête de mentir. Ouais, Elliot, t'as raison. Maintenant... Oh, et si on pousse Alisa comme ça, Ryan va la voir tomber et après ils tombent ensemble.
Green's not the only one bottling up his feelings, though, is he? You've been doing the same thing.
Ouais, t'as des sentiments pour Ryan, Alisa.
I
Aïe, quoi? I speak English here.
guess I have.
Bah va montrer tes sentiments à Ryan. Oh là là. Allez, on fait dodo. Dodo. Hein?
Ooh, you're moving up in the world. I've got a little reward here for you. Keep up the good work.
What the hell, brother? Jour 2. Ok. Ah, bien dormi, les potos. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a à faire pour aujourd'hui? Ça se voit que Laura n'a pas dormi. Arrêtez de vous regarder là, vous êtes pas ensemble. Arrêtez de vous regarder. Oh, Ryan, tu regardes une autre fille, je vais le dire. Je sais qu'Alisa sait que tu regardes une autre fille. J'ai pas envie de voir leur discussion ensemble. T'as souri? Oh, Réal, tu vas rendre Alisa jalouse. Regarde, elle fait une tête parce qu'elle est jalouse de toi. Oh, Réal, maintenant, non seulement que tu regardes une autre fille, Alisa croit que t'es amoureuse de cette fille. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Quoi? Encore un truc terrible dans le marché? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé hier soir? Quelque chose a été volé et détruit? Oh non, ça c'est pire! Oh là là, on va voir le marché, après on s'arrête pour cet épisode. Allez, arrêtez vos discussions, on doit aller voir le marché. Ah, donc, c'est... Mais oui, on va aller voir, bien sûr, attends. What the hell, mon gars? Voyons voir. I'm sorry, the Grand Market isn't quite open for business yet. Ah, on peut pas y aller maintenant? Oh, it's the students from yesterday. Good morning. Open late today, after all I see. Afraid so, guess you already know about the robbery yesterday, huh? The two more merchants whose stalls were destroyed are still arguing about it. Hein, langage! Et qui a dit ça? You're not going to get away with this. Oh no, not them. C'est pas encore les gars qui s'étaient en train de se disputer sur qui a eu ce qu'ils ont voulu. Pourquoi tu demandes à lui? Tu crois que c'est ton super-héros? Encore eux deux là qui se disputent. How dare you destroy my stall, you damn coward. I knew you country folk were to be trusted. Who else could try it? Have been. Just come clean and admit already. Who are you calling the coward? You, him, Dorian snob? You're the one who wanted my spot all for yourself. Calm down, gentlemen, please. Play not innocent and trying to paint me as the bad guy here. You make me sick. What do you say we settle this right here and now? Comment tu veux qu'il règle? Bring it on. Hold it. Stop right there. Class 7. You kids again? On n'est pas des enfants comme on te l'a dit, on est des adolescents. Give me your noses out of this. I'm gonna make him pay for smashing my stall. C'est nous qui vont te mettre une pas deux. Smashing? Tu crois qu'on est dans Super Smash Bros? Oh mon dieu! C'était quoi tout cette destruction? What the hell, brother? Wow, they really are completely ruined. This is awful. On va mourir. However, harming one another is not going to bring them back. In the end, they will still be smashed and you will be worse off. But this anger isn't going to go away unless I do something. He took all my goods too, so I haven't even got anything to sell. What are you talking about? You were the one who stole my goods. And you're gonna get them all back right now and fix the damage you did to my stall, or else I can't be held responsible for my actions. This isn't good. I think they're even listening to a word we're saying. What do we do? Stop this at once. Qui a dit stop this at once? Les gardes à la rescousse! The provincial army. What? Les gardes à la rescousse! What is the meaning of this? It's the middle of the morning. Stop this nonsense immediately. But I believe you are the one in charge here. I demand an explanation as to what has transpired. Well, you see. I see. The solution is simple then. Men, take them away. Yes, sir. Allez, prenez les deux là, prenez les deux. What? What do you mean, take us away? 2 stalls were destroyed, 2 sets of goods were stolen. The truth is as clear as day. The 2 merchants in the midst of a disagreement committed the same crime at the same time. Ah, donc c'était les deux là qui ont causé cette dispute. Après, on fait comme si c'est l'un d'entre eux qui ont commencé. But that's not fair. Do you think it premature to draw such a conclusion without any investigation? The Provincial Army doesn't have time to waste so in the pretty squabbles of merchants. But I'm not an unreasonable man. Seize your dispute, and you will be left alone. Continue and you come with us. The choice is yours. They're trying to force both merchants to forget this ever happened to sweep the whole ordeal under the rug. Yeah, something about this seems really wrong. Very good then. I'm sure you can agree that wasting time on shenanigans like this is detrimental to all parties involved. I hope you'll think twice before causing such a ruckus ever again. Now, if you'll please excuse us, I'm a businessman and I have more pressing matters to attend to. C'était quoi ça? What the hell, brother? My brother, what the hell happened here? There they go. Well, I guess they did stop those 2 from fighting, but they did nothing to solve the underlying problem. This isn't right. I see now how the Provincial Army here conducts itself. I'm sure you're both still pretty angry about this, but right now the 2 of you need to focus on keeping cool head. If you have the time to fight, try to use that time for something more productive instead. You'll feel a lot better. Yeah, I shouldn't have let my anger take control of me like that. We can't open the Grand Market for business until we've cleaned up these busted stalls. And we're already running late, so I hate to ask, but would you all mind lending me a hand? Oh là là, c'était la folie. La grande folie. Ah non, encore une discussion. Thanks to you 4, we were able to open the Grand Market for business today without incident. I can't even begin to tell you how grateful I am. Oh, there's no need for that. We barely did anything. I'm just glad no one got hurt. All the more reason to thank you. Our merchant stall is his livelihood. Any action taken against it can throw him into blind rage, and it's hard to bring someone back from that. It would seem the problem facing the merchants in this town are quite grave indeed. The Provincial Army have intervened, but it's difficult to believe they make no attempts to fight and find an amicable solution. Quite right, it's clearer than ever now that they have no intention of trying to resolve any issues involving the market. And I can see that changing unless we decide to just accept the sales tax increase and keep quiet about it. Still, you'd think that they at least be a little more subtle about the whole thing? There's no way those two merchants are just going to accept this and move on. No, I don't. Suppose they will. And if words gets out about this, it's not inconceivable for certain groups of people to begin boycotting the marketplace. Always étaient en train de boycott. Something definitely has to be done. I'm just not sure about what. Réfléchir dans la tête de quelqu'un, c'est un problème. Is something wrong, Ring? You're awfully quiet. Are you feeling unwell? Je crois qu'il a besoin de s'allonger dans les genoux de sa Alisa. Sir, I have a favor to ask. Would you consider allowing us to investigate this morning's incident? Mes petits bêtes, y'a les gardes qui étaient là. Qu'est-ce que tu veux voir? Are you suggesting that we attempt to find the Are you suggesting we attempt to find the perpetrator who destroyed the merchant stalls ourselves? It's kind of awful, but as I said yesterday, this is our affair, not yours. We're your students. You have your own studies to worry about, and I wouldn't feel right interfering with them. We're students training for the military, though. We can't just stand by and allow something so unjust to go unchallenged. It's the principal's responsibility to address this, sure, but they're shirking their duties here, and that reflects poorly on us all. Well, that's true enough, I guess. But do you really think we're up for something like this? I kinda have to wonder about that too. I mean, at the end of the day, we're just amateurs. We should at least check with instructor Sarah first and see what she thinks. Oh, arrête de regarder ta chérie. She's already told us. Put your heads together and thinking. I'm sure you'll see what you need to do with her words. This seems like exactly the sort of thing she meant. At least it does to me. Oh. I see your point. Perhaps matters such as this way fall under the scope of our field study after all. Yeah, you do make a good case. I'm still not sure we're up to it, but I guess it can't hurt to try. Neither seek nor shun the fight. Very well, we shall do what we can. Are you really sure about this? I'm certainly not going to say no. I'm very concerned about the market and the safety of our merchants. So if you're not 100% sure, I had to admit, I truly would appreciate anything you can do for us. Thank you, sir. We'll do everything in our power to find answers for you. Just be careful. Don't go seeking out trouble. I don't want you kids being put in danger. We're dealing with a criminal who acts under cover of night. He may be capable of the law more than just thievery and vandalism. Remember, I'm responsible for your safety. If anything were happening to you, I couldn't even look Vandyck in the eye anymore. We'll be careful, we promise. I know I will. At least I probably need to be more careful than anyone else here. Now that's settled. We should act quickly. Yeah, let's get this investigation started. Là, on va pas faire ça maintenant, on va juste faire pour la prochaine épisode. Encore une scène. So first things first, we need to decide where to start investigating. The logical starting point would be the Grand Market itself, the scene of the crime. Can't argue with that. We should probably get statements from those two merchants before anything else. Indeed, I anticipate they've calmed themselves by now, so perhaps we can get some things a bit more substantial from them. We still have to ascertain their innocence or guilt in the matter as well. We'll need to keep a close eye on the time though. If we miss the last trains toward Helmder, we'll have no way of getting back to the academy today. Plus, we've been given other tasks too, and I really like to get them done. In short, we need to keep moving. Our deadline is 9 p.m. Let's use every minute we have to accomplish everything we possibly can. Understood? You bet. Alright. Okay. Donc on va s'arrêter ici pour cet épisode. J'espère que ça vous a plu. On se dit à la prochaine et ciao ciao.